Okay, hello, this is my devlog. I want to build a game about the mind, how we use our higher mind and our primitive mind in terminology of Tim Urban. When we are reading, or when we are studying, or when we try to figure out some like really hard project, and it's a really complicated thing to do. So I've checked some developer indie game developers YouTubes, and all they say is the same. If you have an idea, don't start with it. Start with something small first and go from there. So I've divided the game of higher mind and primitive mind into a few steps to build, and each step will be a separate game. The first game would be about movement. So the movement would be to go as a police car and catch somebody to stop it. This is my very first game. I never built games before. I was a web developer. So let's see what we can do. For the first week, I've installed and configured Unity, get some basic, very basics, and I've got the police car, which is able to move across the road, and it's pretty awesome for the first week. And for the next week, I hope we will bring a bit more realistic movement to the police car and a car with bad guys that we need to stop. And hopefully, we will be able to implement the idea of distracting the cars of bad guys and have some nice audio for the game. See you the next week. Bye.